backs up right at the line. Camacho with a pass. Pascual to Pitoy. And Pitoy is turned away on her first attempt.
Alam mo na ang gagawin ng PNP, talagang babantayan nila si Pitoy because she's the #1 hitter of SSS.
To set number 1, short serve coming from Reforma. Overpass coming from Gomez. Pitoy. Yeah, nice dig. Pascual, back to Pitoy with a push. Got it.
Nicely done. Ang ganda ng sets ni Pascual para kay Pitoy. Mataas, tapos malayo sa net kasi alam niya na merong mga blockers.
First attack, 5. Limsiaco, bad pass.
Good save.
But Pascual. Oh, a solid one-lady block. Oliveros against Pitoy.
You know, Oliveros really watched Pitoy kung kailan siya mag-approach. Look at that. She really timed her jump. Solid block.
Much better pass from Camacho. Here's Pitoy. Limsiaco diving for it. Padilla sends it over underhand. Longest rally so far. Pitoy. One-handed block is no good for Sangwang with the receive. Camacho pushes. Ronquillo pops it up.
Wow, good
Gomez
save.
sends it over. Camacho with a push. Bangkola. And Etucas will knock it. No. Yeah, gets it off the block and scores.
Yeah, there's that easy over from Camacho that enabled PNP to run a play at Etucas na nga ang nakatapos.
Seiya sets it for Camacho. Ronquillo. There's Gomez. Long rally. Ronquillo cross court finally with a little bit of power right there.
You know, I love how both teams are moving in the court. Alam nila yung defensive patterns nila. Alam nila kung sino yung babantayan nila. But Ronquillo just had...
Bangkola. They go back to Kia Gomez. And Rosel Gomez this time unable to get the dig.
Alam mo,
Papalo. Kia Gomez again, overpass this time. And Oliveros quick to put it away.
Oliveros nakita niya may butas sa zone 2. Kaya binalik niya agad para wala pa yung depensa doon. Nandun na yung bola niya.
And it's now Pitoy again. And Pitoy scores.
Kuminsan kasi hulog-hulog lang si Pitoy no? But when she gets the chance at pag nakita niya yung defense not that prepared, she's going to hit that ball hard and she target Bangkola.
Overpass. And an easy put away para kay Ronquillo.
I was gonna say that's a good serve and sure enough it was they had an overpass and a quick point. And that's an overpass. Ronquillo was there. Ooh, wide.
Bad set that
Pero
turned
pasok.
into a point. A lucky break para kay Tin Bangkola off an overpass.
Isipin mo, uy, sadya. Pero actually, it was really for Ronquillo. But it was an overset.
All right, wait a minute. Sabi nung lines, Jason magpantay in the game for the first time as a starter para sa Lady Patrollers. Oliveros picking up where she left off and now has 6 points.
You know, si Oliveros at si Gomez, nakakatakot sila in front because whatever ball you give them, whether it's high or it's low, they're able to bring in the points.
Here's Bangkola's serve again. Oh, that one could have been outside. Pero Seiya picked it up. Another ace para kay Bangkola. 5 points, 5 aces.
Somebody actually shouted out.
Yeah. Bangkola pops it up. Oliveros will set to Ronquillo. Pitoy. Dig by Kia Gomez. Tough set para kay Bangkola who seems to be hurt.
Good save.
There's Etucas. Oh, a nice soft touch as Bangkola continues to be hurt. Maybe she fell down hard. She's trying to shake it off.
Oh, she tried to save that ball short kasi yung reception.
By 9 points.
Nice serve.
Camacho. Yes.
Nicely done.
with 1 point. Ronquillo on the line.
Ang ganda ng palo ni Ronquillo with that down the line. It's so sharp and so fast. And the reason for that, she was on top of that ball. Plus, she's always smiling, kaya dagdag sa beauty yun.
Nice hit by Oliveros, and that will not count anymore.
Yeah, it hit the floor.
Actually, di ba kanina may isang kasama ni in-interview yata ni Ira nga yun eh. Yung isang fan, di ba? Ay, nagkalituhan doon. Was it for Gomez? Was it for Oliveros? And Pitoy Sakmang with a nice hit. Oliveros pops it up. Gomez with a hit. Pascual back to Pitoy. Cross court. Pagpantay. Popping it up. Gomez. Seiya with a dig. Oh, kinapos si Oliveros. Prevent the bench protectors from getting double digits. All right, here we go for the 10th point. Pitoy punches it through, and yes, the bench protectors get 10.
Yeah, 2 blockers were there for Pitoy, but she was able to get that ball in between the blockers and the net. Good save.
Pitoy will try to send it across. Good job. And a nice hit. Oliveros once again. There's a tip by Pitoy. Vicente, by the way, is in the game for the first time. Number 9 para sa Lady Patrollers. Oh, nice hit. Pitoy catches the line.
Yeah. Alam mo, there were 2 blockers in front of her, pero of course she used her height. Hindi na siya masyadong makatalon, but she was able to do a good job hitting her.
Squall serving. Nice hit there.
Yeah.
Oliveros with 13 now. Pops it up. Seiya. This time Tejada pushing and scoring. Back-to-back points para kay Barbie Tejada.
Si Barbie, hindi lang niya pinush punesto niya yung push niya. Look at that angle. That's a difficult one.
Now a 5-point lead again. Actually, no, this is the biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers at 5 points. Camacho is blocked. Bangcola with a tip.
I think Camacho thought.
Last time out by Coach Tan Eugenio, hindi makakuha ng side out ang pension protectors. And the run continues. Camacho. Pinangat ni Oliveros. And for the win, Kia Gomez. There's a net touch kay Camacho. And that'll be it.